Did you know that salmon can transform your diet? This delicious fish is often overlooked, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's uncover why salmon is the ultimate protein choice. Salmon is not just any protein. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats promote heart health. They also support brain function. While other meat sources lack this vital nutrient, salmon shines. First, consider the nutritional profile. One serving of salmon contains around 25 grams of protein. That's more than chicken or beef. Plus, salmon is low in saturated fat. This makes it heart-friendly. Next, let's talk about benefits. Eating salmon can reduce inflammation. It improves your mood, too. Omega-3s help fend off depression. No other protein can provide these benefits so effectively. Now on to taste and versatility. Salmon is incredibly tasty and easy to cook. You can grill it, bake it, or sauté it. Pair it with veggies or grains for a complete meal. Your options are endless. In comparison, chicken and beef often need more seasoning. They don't provide the same health benefits either. Salmon stands out not just for its flavor, but its nutrient density. Think about a dinner scenario. Imagine a dinner plate with grilled salmon. It's vibrant, aromatic, and satisfying. Now picture the blandness of other proteins. Salmon automatically wins the taste test. In summary, salmon is a top protein for many reasons. It's loaded with omega-3s, high-quality protein, and provides unique health benefits. Plus, it's versatile in the kitchen. Nothing else compares. Now that you know why salmon beats all other proteins, give it a try. Cook it for dinner this week. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Start enjoying the benefits of salmon today.